How many days do we have in a week? Answer 7. How many days are there in a normal year? Answer 365. How many colors are there in a rainbow? Answer 7. Which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? Answer camel. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? Answer 26. How many consonants are there in the English alphabet? Answer 21. How many sides are there in a triangle? Answer 3. Which month of the year has the least number of days? Answer February. Which are the vowels in the English alphabet series? Answer A, E, I, O, U. Which animal is called King of Jungle? Answer lion. How many primary colors are there? Answer 3. Red, yellow, blue. How many days are there in the month of February in a leap year? Answer 29 days. What do you call a house made of ice? Answer igloo. Which is the largest animal in the world? Answer blue whale. Which is the tallest animal on the earth? Answer giraffe. Which festival is known as the Festival of Colors? Answer Holi. Which festival is called the Festival of Light? Answer Diwali. What is the top color in a rainbow? Answer red. What type of bird lays the largest eggs? Answer ostrich. Which festival is known as the Festival of Flowers? Answer Onam. In which direction does the sun rise? Answer east. Which is the world's largest flower? Answer Rafflesia. How many zeros are there in 100,000? Answer 5. How many hours are there in 2 days? Answer 48 hours. How many months of the year have 31 days? Answer 7. How many weeks are there in 1 year? Answer 52. Which are the colors in a rainbow? Answer violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. How many bones does an adult human have? Answer 206. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Answer Neil Armstrong. How many millimeters are there in 1 centimeter? Answer 10. Which is the nearest star to planet Earth? Answer Sun. Which is the longest river on the earth? Answer Nile. Which is the principal source of energy for Earth? Answer Sun. How many lungs does the human body have? Answer 2. What is the standard taste of the water? Answer: water is tasteless. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Answer: Mount Everest. Which is the fastest animal on the land? Answer: cheetah. Which continent is known as dark continent? Answer: Africa. Which planet is known as the red planet? Answer: Mars. Which is the most sensitive organ in our body? Answer: skin. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Answer: Pacific Ocean. Which day is observed as World Environment Day? Answer: June 5. How many years are there in a century? Answer: 100. Which is the largest country in the world? Answer: Russia. Who invented the computer? Answer: Charles Babbage. How many players are there in a cricket team? Answer: 11. Which day is observed as World Literacy Day? Answer: September 8. Who is the inventor of radio? Answer: Marconi. Which place is known as the roof of the world? Answer: Tibet. How many teeth does a healthy adult have, including the wisdom teeth? Answer: 32. Which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? Answer: nitrogen. How many peoples are there in the world? Answer: over 7 billion. Which is the continent with the most number of countries? Answer: Africa. Which is the most common non-contagious diseases in the world? Answer: tooth decay. How many strings does a violin have? Answer: 4. How many planets are there in our solar system? Answer: 8. Which is the hottest continent on the earth? Answer: Africa. Which is the smallest continent in the world? Answer: Australia. How many years are there in a millennium? Answer: 1000. Which country is home to the kangaroo? Answer: Australia. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Answer: Leonardo da Vinci. Who invented the telephone? Answer: Alexander Graham Bell. What does the internet prefix www stands for? Answer: World Wide Web. How much of the Earth's surface is covered by ocean? Answer: 71%. Who discovered penicillin in 1928? Answer: Alexander Fleming. How many stars are there in the American flag? Answer: 50. What do you call a type of shape that has 5 sides? Answer: pentagon. Which way is anti-clockwise, left or right? Answer: left. How many equal sides does an isosceles triangle have? Answer: 2. Which is the coldest location in the Earth? Answer: East Antarctica. Who discovered electricity? Answer: Benjamin Franklin. Which is the most widely spoken language in the world? Answer: Mandarin Chinese. Which two parts of the body continue to grow for your entire life? Answer: nose and ears. The largest democracy in the world? Answer: India. Who is the inventor of television? Answer: John Logie Baird. Which is the largest plateau in the world? Answer: Tibetan Plateau. Which is the instrument used to measure blood pressure? Answer: sphygmomanometer. What color symbolizes peace? Answer: white. Who is the founder of Microsoft? Answer: Bill Gates. During which year did World War I begin? Answer: 1914. How many cricket World Cups does India have? Answer: 2. Global warming is caused by the excess of which type of gas? Answer: carbon dioxide. How many cards are there in a complete pack of cards? Answer: 52. What is the name of the biggest rainforest in the world? Answer: the Amazon. Which African nation is famous for chocolate? Answer: Ghana. What makes up approx 80% of our brain's volume? Answer: water. Which instrument is used for measuring wind speed? Answer: anemometer. Stars and Stripes is the nickname of the flag of which country? Answer: United States of America. Which language is used by the computer to process data? Answer: binary language. What covers approximately 71% of the Earth's Surface, land or water. Answer water. Which is the hardest substance available on earth? Answer diamond. Which is the biggest desert in the world? Answer Sahara Desert. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the United States? Answer France. What is the name of the Greek god of music? Answer Apollo. What does the SIM in the SIM card stands for? Answer Subscriber Identity Module. Which is the first element on the periodic table of elements? Answer Hydrogen. Which is the longest written constitution in the world? Answer India. What is the largest joint in the human body? Answer knee. Which is the smallest bone in the human body? Answer stapes. Which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Answer barometer.